Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. OMAVANGIE Rocks here. For today's episode, I asked my husband to do the unboxing for me for a change. So, let's give it to Rob for the unboxing time! Okay! Oh my god!
Here's Rob! Here's Rob! Good!
Yay! Okay.
And what we're going to do today, we're going to do unboxing of a thing to get a nice smell in the house. It's from Maison Berger, for Berger, 98. And I have a letter here. I'm not going to read it all out to you, but it's from a guy called Mr. Berger, Maurice Berger. He was apothekersassistent in Paris, and he designed this lamp.
Pharmacy.
And so he put a patent on this, and he's still producing these things. This since 1898.
My
they're
god.
making these things. Now, anyway. And the reason is because all the other stuff with little straws, and, little straws and stuff, the sticks as you stick into the perfume, doesn't work. So we thought, and then you got the other ones, the little burners, doesn't work either. So we thought, right, we're going to try this one. So this is the refill liquid. Don't ask me whether it is. Aha! A Maison Berger, de Prix. Ah oui, oui. Now the thing is, you need a machine to get this to work. So that's where this thing comes in. If we can open this up, if we figure out how to open it up, because there's a big part of the marketing these days. How do you open up the box? Yes. Ta-da! We got it open. That's good news. And you can see we got a little bottle as well. So we got a big bottle, a little bottle.
That's a freebie.
Now this is a freebie. It's orange blossom. And this is Musk Blanc, white musk, French and English. And then in here, of course, we got the item of interest, from Maison Berger, and it's in the bag. And in the bag is a bottle. Now, it's just a little bottle, that's it. This is it. This is the crutch of the matter. And with that, we have, of course, some little parts. A part here, another part, another part, and another part. Now, let me explain how it works. First of all, this is to fill the bottle with the liquid. Right, that's obvious. Then, of course, you must have a wick. A wick is this thing that actually gets the oil or the fragrant stuff up to the burner. Okay, there you go, there it is, there you go, there's the little bugger. And it has a metal ring on which it lands, and it has some kind of a ceramic thingy to heat up, and that stays warm then when the flame goes out, and then it evaporates the stuff that you suck in via the wick, yeah? So that's roughly how it works. Now we're not finished yet, because we also have this thing. So the idea is, first, okie dokie. Now, carefully we pour this in, and we fill it about a third to half, between a third and a half. It's a bit difficult to say exactly how much you put in, but I think this is probably okay. What do you reckon? A little bit more?
That's enough.
Yeah, that's a half, so that's enough. Okay, so we got this thing filled now with half. Then we position the wick. Take this off. And we carefully position the wick. If we can get it in. Oh yeah, we can get it in. There you go. That's going in, it's going in. We hit the liquids, yes, and now we go plump, ta-da, right. And this thing is a little bit delicate. Now, and the idea is, you take a light and you light it off, but we cannot do that yet because first we have to wait half an hour for the wick to suck up all the stuff in the wick and then move it to the top. So for now we stop.
30 minutes later.
Yeah. That is just like with the Olympic Games, right? You have to lighten up the flame. So, it's now been in there for 30 minutes. It's been sucking up all the stuff. And if everything goes according to plan, if I now lit it, then it will work. It will go. There we go, there we go, there we go. Yes, yes, yes. Ta-da-da! What an invention. Kijk.
Wow!
So now it is pretty high flame. Let the games begin. You see, there's a rather large flame. Yeah? And the trick is it will get smaller, they say. And then after 2 minutes, we just blow out the flame. And then, let it sit there for about 30 minutes. So that, the scent can come out. But also the dirty air can go in. Guys, see, there you go. It's going really low now. Oh yeah, okay. So I think we have reached.
Toxic in the air will be sucked up by this thing.
Yeah, when the flame is out. Okay. So there we go. I think now it's time that being 2 minutes now, roughly 2 minutes.
No,
No,
not yet.
no. Then we wait a bit. No. Then we put this on top. And now we just let it be. That's it.
I can smell it already.
It should give you.
Yes.
Should give you a smell.
Yeah.
That's all exciting. And then after 30 minutes, you put this on top, and then you kill it.
And then for the scent will last for about 3 hours.
About 3 hours. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I'm not sure. I mean, it's all a function of size of room, and it could well be that this is too big for this thing, and then it will be less. So if you put it in the loom, then it will be much longer. So I don't know. It's a function of size. We'll notice.
That's easy, right?
Yeah.
It smells nice.
Yeah, nice, yeah.
What's the scent that we're using now? It is delicate.
That's the musk one, eh?
White musk.
Refill of the delicate white musk. Delicate white musk. Klinkt goed, hè? Sounds good, hè?
No. Say it in French.
Oh, een delicate musk blanc. Delicate musk blanc. Delicate musk blanc.
Sounds
Okay.
All right, that's it.
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap. Bye.